Hello friends, welcome to another video related to Python FAQ or interview question series. This is a very frequently asked question in interview. What does star args and double star kwargs mean in Python and why do we use it? So this star args and double star kwargs, this is used when we create functions in Python. So we have a separate video for functions in Python. If you want, you can watch those videos also. I will share the link in the description. So dot star, this star args means non-keyword arguments and kwargs means keyword arguments. So we use this star args when we are not sure how many arguments are going to be passed to a function, or if we want to pass a stored list or a tuple of arguments to a function. So suppose you are creating a function. So def my function, this will create a function for us. So def my function, we are creating a function here, and here you can see when my function is being created, we have put star argv here. So for arg in argv, so this argv will print arguments. So here my function, so now it can take comma separated any number of comma separated values. Normally if you will create a function without this star sign here, so in that case you will see that only one value will be accepted by the function, but because we are using star here, then any number of values in comma separated way can be handled by the function. And when you will write my function hello comma welcome to slide scope or whatever you want to write, so here you can see we have provided four values here comma separated. So it will simply print hello welcome to slide scope in separate lines, because this print will print separate values in separate lines. Now the next thing is, this Python program illustrates use of .kwargs. So defining my function double star kwargs. So here we use a single star sign. For providing keyword arguments, you have to provide double star. Keyword argument means we can create some new keywords for us. Means users can create their own keywords while creating a function. So for key comma value in keyword arguments dot items. So because these keywords will be created as key and value pair. So for key comma value in keyword arguments dot items, print, and this percentage s is equal to percentage s. This simply means this first percentage s means the key and the second percentage s means the value, and percent key comma value, because we are providing them in the same order also. Now the code will be my function. So here we are writing first is equal to slide, mid is equal to scope, and last is equal to exclamation. So we found a very simple explanation. We use this example. Now it will print last is equal to exclamation, mid double is equal to scope, and first double equal to slide, because we have used it like this. So here also we can create any number of arguments inside a function. Here also we can create any number of arguments inside a function, but here the arguments will not have keys, and here the arguments can have any keys. Now the identifier args and kwargs are just a convention. These are just a convention. You could use anything like star John and double star Mila, but again that would not be wise because it's a convention. So follow the convention and write how everyone is writing the code. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next interview question video.